All set now, ready to race, and the race is on. Speed Bullet. From the outside, rushing up, Scott May. Down on the inside, Chase Charlie Senyales. Aras also there. Then comes Super Elegant, Biodata, and Tiago is running at the tail of the field. Speed Bullet, followed now by Senyales. Scott May is racing in third by linking up Chase Charlie down on the inside. Rounding the far turn, Speed Bullet, this time by some 4 lengths. Senyales, Cat May running in third, then comes Chase Charlie as they race the final corner. Speed Bullet by some 3 lengths. Cat May is now running in second, and down on the inside is Senyales, and nearing the finish line is Speed Bullet. Cat May is running down on the inside, but still Speed Bullet, and finally Speed Bullet. Cat May, Senyales, Super Elegant, Aras, Chase Charlie, Biodata, and Tiago comes last.
Okay.